Hey guys, this is Edward from Edward Labs. Today we are going to see how to show Wi-Fi password on PC using command prompt. First open command prompt as administrator. Once it is done, type cd to change directory. Then type netsh. Now in network shell, type WLAN show profile. It's going to list the user profiles. Now you can see here mine is connected to Legends TP link. Now type WLAN show profile or profile name. Here in my case, it's Legends TP link. Copy and paste it here with key equals clear. Now it's going to through your error. Let's look into the error. One or more parameters for the command are not correct or missing. This is a syntax error. Now let's look into the examples. Profiles with multiple words should be written inside double quotes. Make the changes and hit enter. Here's your SSID name, Legends TP link. And here is your password, the key content. This is how you can find your Wi-Fi password through command prompt. If you guys have any doubts, you can comment below. Also give this video a thumbs up if you have enjoyed the video. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, that's me signing off. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.